Hello guys, what you see here is the Katoku single head sharpening machine, the KDC-150s. This machine has a 90 volt 150 watt motor with the top speed of 3500 RPM, very strong and very fast motor. This machine can run between 110 volt to 240 volt current with the auto switch. You can take this machine to almost anywhere around the world, use it without needing any kind of voltage conversion. It would do the auto switch by itself. Very smart design. This one here is the Katoku patent pending sharpening guy. This sharpening guy is considered one of the best sharpening guys on the market now. There's a lot of cool features. So we will have a separate video to show the features of this sharpening guy later. This one here is the built-in shears bender to use this to do the set of the shears. A removable dustpan, natural light LED lights. This one here is the power switch, the current indicator to show what's the current going through the machine when we are doing the sharpening. Speed control. You can use it to do the right hand shears or the left hand shears. Okay, let's turn on the machine and see how it runs. Okay, main power switch, and let's do it to the right hand side. So right now it's about 50 volts current going through. If we crank it up to the top speed, it's like around 83, 84 volts. And this machine is so strong that you cannot bog it down with pressure. So if I keep some pressure on the hone, the current will go up to keep up with the RPM. Very strong motor. And this machine has a electronic brake, so when you flip the switch, the hone will stop spinning right away. Okay, let's try it on the left hand side too. Again, it's a very strong motor. Okay, and this machine can be used horizontally or vertically. Okay, let me see. I'll try to do everything with one hand. Okay. So you can use it vertically with the guide. And this guy is so cool that you can actually do a lot of things with it. Adjust length of the shaft. You can do it right here. Very smart design. So okay, so there you have it, the Katoku single head sharpening machine, the KDC-150s.